Okay, I put some foundation. That is makeup for kids. And then we need some.
Di ba may lip tint tayo?
Yeah.
Ha? Diba eh?
Gonna
Maganda pala pag ganyan.
turn on. I do this.
Bilang.
Wala dyan.
Ito.
Para sa ilong yan.
So,
Chopstick. Meron mga guys.
picture mo natin ha.
I turn on the filter.
Pinilter mo? Oo. Ba't ganito?
Ganyan talaga.
Paano ko ito makukunan?
Pero mama. Next day. Okay, it's the next day. And my face is still smooth, not rough. Actually, look, so bad working hard. Toolbox. And there's so many shoppies. This thing, these parts, and go there. I don't know what that is, and that too. So, wait. And I'm going to school now. As you can see, here. Can the right outside. Oh, yeah, I forgot that. Bro. Okay, wait a moment. I don't like that noise. I actually don't like that noise. Sounds like a dinosaur rock.